What's going on, everybody? This is Jeff with Island Hopper TV, taking a look at the San Diego Zoo, the new and improved San Diego Zoo. They still have this flamingo exhibit right when you step in. Just in case you're wondering, the price and the admission to the new and improved San Diego Zoo is $54 for adults, $44 for children. That's for a one-day pass. If you're actually looking to visit the San Diego Zoo and the San Diego Zoo Safari Park north of San Diego, that's $86 per adult and $76 per child. So overall, the zoo is definitely improved. Not that it needed much improvement, but they've added sites such as the this Africa Rocks elephant exhibit's been there for a while, just outside of the California exhibit, and this prehistoric bones and this area here with the you can take the tram around this park. That might be a little bit easy because it is up, down, and all around. Even with this Arctic exhibit with the polar bear, I don't know how that guy handles all that heat when it is hot. Poor guy. No, he's good. Um, yeah, they got exhibits like this with the birds. These, I think they're called mandarin ducks, but the whole park's really just been they just keep adding more and more awesome exhibits. Even this panda exhibit's still there, but like I said, the Madagascar exhibit, the enhancements to the rainforest area where they have the baboons and the monkeys, just a real awesome experience located out of Balboa Park. For those of you who've never been to San Diego, and this will be your first time, it's definitely awesome weather in San Diego. They have 3,700 animal species, or 3,700 animals, 650 species. It's one of the largest in the zoo in the world. I consider this zoo to be the best in America that I've been to, and actually in the world, just because of the fact that it's got beautiful weather and it's a tremendous location. Some of the exhibits are a bit small, some of them are larger. I'd like to see some of these animals get larger exhibits, but overall, the San Diego Zoo, definitely do recommend it. So I'm going to let you guys watch the rest of this, and hope you guys enjoy this short film. And if you're new here, you can subscribe to Island Hopper TV.